Hello guys, and welcome to Serge Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to show you my new charger. This is a battery charger, battery jump starter basically, and a power brick. You could charge a lot of different devices with it. Now this is my car here, 2013 Nissan Altima. But you know what? Doesn't matter how new your car is. If your car battery is dead, which mine is in this case, you will not be getting out from where you are. So here's my start button here. I keep pressing it and nothing's happening. It's enough power to basically light up the button, cause the dash to come on, but this is all we're getting. So for the purpose of this video, I wanted to simulate a situation where, look, in this parking lot, there's absolutely no cars here. I'm actually at one of the stores that's basically closed. So there's going to be absolutely nobody here that will be able to assist me. Let's say I had some jumper cables and I said, you know what, can you help me jumpstart it? Recently, I showed you one of the devices about the same size, but it had almost 2 times less power than this. This is way more powerful, yet it is still compact. So starting amps is 1000 amps, peak amps 2000 to 2500 amps. So I have a dead car battery right now, and it's not enough for me to start it. Quickly, let's do like an old-fashioned unboxing. The most important thing is this pack here. And it's amazing. So if you will open up this pack, and look how small it is. This is like a travel size. You could take this anywhere. So, and it feels very nice and soft, and it's a nice hard case, you know, like a hard shell type of case. So you unzip it, open it up, and voila, that's what's inside. So let's take a look and see what's inside. We have obviously the manual for it and a thank you card. We have a DC type of plug in case you need to charge something, maybe like your phone or whatever. We have the outlet for it right there. This is the actual jumper type of cables. These cables are also a little bit beefier than the last one. And these grips feel very solid. So the very next thing is we have USB Type-C type of cable. In the last one, it wasn't included for some reason, yet it did have USB Type-C. That is the charging cable that you will need to charge this device. So then you pull out this device and look at that. It looks very, very nice. So we have a flashlight here. We have 2 USB outlets. From what I could see, the one with the blue, that is a USB Type-C. Also, it will provide a faster type of charge. So this light is actually a very nice light. It also serves as a SOS type of signal. We also have an in and an out. It says in or out, USB Type-C. So you could plug USB Type-C in here and perhaps plug it into your laptop or whatever, or your car, and you could charge it up. But this does hold a charge for a very long time. So we have an engine start right behind there. So you take this cable right here that's provided, and you basically stick it in here. Simple as that. So immediately, it's actually got a little display here. It's actually going to be displaying something. I don't know what it is. So we have a power button right here, and you power it on, and it says output 98%. So we have this charge at 98% capacity, so it arrived to me charged. I didn't have to charge it. So what else do we have here? We do have a DC output. So the provided DC out can be plugged in over here. So if you have a portable fridge that you need a DC out, you could plug that in. And also, let's say you wanted to have like an AC type of conversion for your like laptop, and you have that little converter from the DC to AC, you could do that. You could plug this in here, and then you could power your laptop or something else for that matter. And you can charge your GoPro, your cell phone using these USBs here. So let's go actually and try to power on the flashlight. So I'm gonna hold down the power button, and by holding it down, it comes on. So I'm gonna hold it down again, it went off. So I'm gonna make the light come on again by holding it. Press it one time, it starts doing the SOS type of signal. So let's say you get stuck at an island, you will have an SOS type of signal. You could just be signaling, and I'm not actually touching it. It's all automatic. You don't have to be doing anything. So let's go ahead and touch it and hold it, and then it disconnects. So the purpose, of course, of me actually explaining this to you, we need to get my car started. So as you see, in real time, I pulled this out, and we're ready to actually open up my hood and actually get the car started. Let's go ahead and actually do that. We have the hood right here. So we're gonna pop the battery. Open. Let's go ahead and actually connect. You want to make sure you're connecting it correctly. This is a positive on this side. We could, I suppose, put it on that bolt right there. And let's see, we could put it on that bolt. But just in case, it will actually grip down over here. So what we're gonna need to do is go ahead and actually power it on. And now it's on. So leave it for 20 seconds, and in the meantime, let's go ahead and actually see if we could start it in less time. So the dash comes on very nicely. It says welcome. Let's go ahead and actually press the start button. All right, so the car is on. I'm basically ready to go somewhere. As you can see, there is no other indicators on the dash telling me that the battery is bad. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery. So we're gonna go ahead and actually disconnect it. And it's good to go. So close up the hood. And the car is on right now. So things are working. This was very, very easy, as you could see. So this device here and others like it could be very, very useful. So you could be backpacking somewhere, let's say like in the mountains. You take this with you, you'll be able to charge your cell phone like, I don't know, probably like hundreds of times, because this is a huge battery on the inside. If you want to find out a little bit more about this type of device, I'm going to link it up in the description below. They're also offering a discount code. That's how I got it. If you want to basically buy it, use the discount code that I'm going to provide, and you'll be able to get a little discount on it. So what I would do, if I get this device, I go ahead and stick it on the charge and charge it up. It does have a smart cutoff switch, so it will not like overcharge it. It is a lithium-ion battery. It's going to like pretty much like last forever as long as you take care of it. Just don't make it, the unit lie around dead. As long as you keep it like fully charged, it's going to last you a lifetime. Now you might be wondering, why did I get this? Well, for many reasons. I buy cars all the time, just like I did this one, and this one apparently had a dead battery, and what I needed to do is basically buy a brand new battery for it. But I kind of figured, you know what, let me show you how this works. But anyways, guys, if you want to pick this thing up, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Check it out, see if it's right for you. But you can start cars with 4 cylinders and 6 cylinders. That's what it says, but I believe you could also start 8-cylinder car. I think I read it somewhere over there that you can start an 8-cylinder type of car. Plus, it's a very powerful device. I don't see why not. These days, stuff like this could really save you. This is lithium ion. It is really portable and durable, and it's got a really, pretty looking case. I mean, look, you put this inside of the case, close everything up, zip it up, and that's it. You're ready to go. Put this in the trunk of your car, especially if you're a lady, and, you might not be safe asking somebody for help. Who knows, especially if it's dark. You don't want to be left out stranded. Pull this thing out, plug it up, boom, there you go. And also you could charge your cell phone, so maybe you could call, for help. Especially if you're like backpacking somewhere, like in, in the woods or the mountains. Maybe you get lost, maybe you get hurt. you need to call somebody, your cell phone died, you can just plug it in here, charge it up, and you know, that's it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.